Peace and Calming. I love Peace and Calming. It's this beautiful green color. It's definitely a favorite of the kiddos and the parents. And what Peace and Calming showed me was a person floating on a raft in a peaceful, gently rocking, safe body of water. You are supported, warm sun, gentle breeze. Peace and Calming is safety in a bottle. It's a very special oil, and I think a lot of us can use that feeling of safety. We don't even realize that we don't feel safe. It's fabulous in a diffuser, fabulous to apply at night and or all day long. It now comes in a roller ball. Or you can put the one on it that you found in your kit. Love Peace and Calming. Thank you.